Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a 2006 to 2013 Chevy Impala window regulator. I'm showing you the video for the left driver's rear. It's a very easy job to do. If you find this helpful, please like the video. It helps me with YouTube and it also helps other people find this video. So you've got 4 things to take off. I need a knife to get that out. You have 2 10 millimeters. They're also Torx bolts, but they're 10 millimeters right there and there. You've got a Torx 30 at the top behind the chrome pull handle. And you've got, I believe it was a 7/32. I'm not 100% sure, is the socket on the left. You might need a pair of needle nose pliers to get the cable off that goes to the handle. And then as far as the window switch, instead of unplugging it, I usually just use the knife to go ahead and pop off the entire switch from the bracket that's holding it. This is among the easier jobs you can do, so even if you don't feel comfortable with it, it's not a big deal. And the video is at double speed, by the way. Get that out of the way, take off the plastic. I didn't even take it all the way off, I just moved it out of the way. And I'm taking out the 2 10 millimeter bolts that hold the glass to the regulator. By the way, I'm going to put the glass up. By the way, another good idea is to put a little bit of WD-40 on the channels on the sides that the glass travels in. Don't soak it lightly. You've got some 10 millimeter bolts there, 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 and there. On the replacement regulator, instead of bolts for the motor, there's nuts that go onto it. Unless you get the factory one, or some of these are really expensive. I have these on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com, so if you need it, please go there. I can have it out to you today, probably have it in a couple days. Pretty quick, post office, priority mail. Yeah, I tried to start with that bolt on, but it just didn't work out as well. So. Tighten everything up, plug it all in. And now we're going to put the glass back down. Actually, I think I turned the key on so that I could move the bracket down. There we go, right there. I guess the one piece of advice I give you is try to be careful not to strip the threads on the screws on the glass clips. It's a pain in the ass to get it in otherwise. But that's it. So I'm not going to talk you through the rest. You can watch the rest of it. And again, if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you, just go ahead and like it. I appreciate that. You have a good week.